So if you want to know how I achieved this, if you want to know how I made these beautiful French curls, do keep on watching. Like, don't skip any parts, because this is a detailed video showing you how to make this. Let's jump right into this video. Today I'm going to be demonstrating using this color 27. I'll be making use of 2 packs because I want to use it and make another tutorial. So this is just the process you have to follow. You unravel it, you cut, and then you feather it out. Yes, it's very, very important. So you will need to take your time in watching this video, because I'm going to be telling you some things I observed about this, you know, the faults, and I'll be telling you how to make yours work smoothly so you won't waste your braiding hair. So at this point, I'm feathering the braiding hair. You need to do this because it makes it longer. So this is what it's looking like. Just do what I'm doing. This is just the easiest step. Yeah, it looks as if it's going to take long, but it's not. This is just the easiest way, so you won't lose so much braiding hair while brushing. So just take your time to brush it so it's going to look nice. So the color is looking dim because I actually filmed this in the night. Yeah, but this is how it's looking like during the day. Yes, I really love this color. Like, it's making me feel happy. I can't wait to make use of it to make the wig I want to make. Yes, so what you want to do is to get a wool or attachment to tie it, you know, because you're going to be dipping it inside hot water. So for the next part, get your hot water and then pour any conditioner you have and then stir with a comb. The next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be dipping our braiding hair into the hot water. Yes, make sure you do this. I don't know, I enjoy doing it like this. I feel like you can actually put it once, but I just enjoyed looking at it like this. So just keep dipping it and dipping it so everything is going to enter, and that's the essence of the wool, so that your hand won't touch the hot water. So after doing this, this is what it's looking like. So you can leave it for about 1 hour or 2 hours to dry, and then this is what it's looking like. It was so silky, it was looking so nice, and yeah, I was just brushing it easily. And yeah, so please do not skip this part. So you just want to take out a little section. Now for this part, you need a rod or something round. Yes, so if you use a slimmer one, it's going to give something like this, and that's not what you want. So you have to go ahead to make use of a bigger rod. So I'm going to be using this. I don't know if you've ever seen this before, but it's like a shoe rack. So I had to attach the both of them together. Yes, and then I went ahead to use a sellotape to seal the middle, so it's not going to make my braiding hair rough. Now before you continue, just place it on your rod or stick or whatever you're going to use, and then brush it, and then start rolling it on the rod. Yes, this is very easy to make, and it's self-explanatory. So just do this, take your time, so it's going to come out beautifully. So I'm also going to be making use of a brown one to demonstrate and show you how to make this. It's very easy to make. It is very easy to make, and with this you can save enough money. You can save your money, because I bet this is expensive in the market, trying to buy the ones that will be enough for your hair. But if you can make yours, it's actually better and easier. I really hope you're enjoying this video. Please, if you are, do subscribe to my channel and like this video. Also turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. Yes, we do hair tutorials on this channel, wigs and things like that, fun things. Okay, so do subscribe so you won't miss out on anything. So this is what it's looking like right now. It's looking really nice and neat. So I'm going to be using this dark brown to demonstrate also. After doing that, you can go ahead to trim it, but I didn't bother trimming it. Yes, I didn't trim it. I just went ahead to do the next step. Yeah, so if you do want to trim, you can trim it, so it's going to come out nicer. And I'm still using this Petals conditioner, so I'm going to be pouring a little into the hot water, and I'm going to stir it using a comb. Make sure you stir it very well. If you have any hair oil, you can also add it to it for shine. And I'm using this little bowl to pour the water on the sticks. Yes, make sure it touches every part. You have to rotate it so that it's going to touch every single part. So just keep on doing that repeatedly. And also you have to be careful so you won't spill water all over or pour water on yourself. So at this point I'm just draining the water, and for easy drying you need to do this. Use a cloth to dry it before you leave it to air dry. This just makes the drying process faster. Yeah, so just make sure you dry it properly. Dry, because it takes time for this to dry. Now the next thing you want to do is to allow it to air dry. Yeah, please don't let it dry completely before you bring it out, because it dries faster when it's out. Yes, so at this point I actually left it for 7 hours, because I left it and then I went out. So when I got back it was completely dried. So I removed it, and this was what it was looking like. It was looking okay. I was like I was like, okay, because it's my first time trying this. It actually did come out nice. I really liked it, so I decided to check this one out too. So at first I was like, this one didn't form well or something, but then I had to just rearrange it with my hands. I just made the coil look nicer, and this is what it's looking like. It is serving. It is looking so beautiful. So I honestly tried to unravel this so that I can use it and make and show you guys an example of how to use it. Yeah, so while unraveling, please don't just go straight. If not, it's just going to tangle, because this is braiding hair, so you just want to take your time and unravel it. So this is what it's looking like. It's actually looking okay. So today I'm going to be using this closure I made. Yes, I'm still in the process of making it. As you can see, I'm not done with it. So yeah, I'm going to be using it to show you how to make this and for you to see how it's going to come out. If you want to know how to make this closure, just subscribe to my channel, because a lot is coming. I'm going to be showing you how to make this and how to make a braided wig. So do stay tuned and stay subscribed. So I'm going ahead to demonstrate using the braiding hair, and I'm just making knotless braids. So this is looking really nice. We all know the way braiding hair feels normally, but then remember we dipped this one inside hot water, so it was feeling so nice and it was easy to make. Now this is what it's looking like. It is looking so beautiful. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to join this family. Can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.